Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit footer in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, first you need to scroll down your page to the footer, and after that you need to click here double time to edit it. Then you can insert here, for example, a text. So I type here simple text, and if you will click double time outside the box, the text to your footer will be successfully inserted. Of course, you can click here double time and you can add here, for example, image. So if you want to do it, you need to go to insert, you need to go to picture, you need to click on from device, and for example you need to select image that you want to insert. So for example I click on this one image and I click open button. How you see image has been successfully inserted. Here you can move this image to other location, and of course you can edit it if you want. And the last thing you can add here is the page number. So I will delete the image, I will delete the text here, and maybe I will insert the page number. So I click on this one icon, and then you can insert the page number with this format or other format. Everything depends on your preferences. You can set position for page number. You can set the position to the left, center, right, outer or inner, and you can apply it to entire document from current page or current section. So I set here center and entire document and I click OK. After that, page number will be successfully inserted to footer. So in this way you can easily edit your footer in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.